So given question is asked in GATE CSE 2012. They have given a pseudocode and asked what will be the correct set of activation records along with their access links. Okay, so here if you see, firstly there is a program main. Okay, so inside main we have procedure A1 and procedure A2. Okay, so procedure A1 and procedure A2 can be accessed by main. Okay, and this procedure A21 is inside procedure A2, which means definition of procedure A21 is written inside procedure A2. So this A21 is accessed by procedure A2. Okay, and they have given the calling sequence also. Okay, so calling chain is like from main they have called A1, A1 from A1, A2 like this A21 and then A1. Okay, so if we are going through this given pseudo code, because procedure A1 and procedure A2, their definition is written inside main, so its access link will point main function. Okay, and this procedure A21 having definition inside procedure A2, so this will have access link to A2. Okay, so let us go with options. Here if we see, from A1 access link is going to main. Okay, no problem, and from A2 access link is going to A1, but definition of A2 is written inside main, so A2 should point A1. Okay, main. Okay, not A1, so this is wrong. Okay, so option A cannot be correct. Let us see option B. So from B, A1 should point main, but it is not pointing here. Okay, so this option B also not correct. Let us see option C. In option C, access link of A1 is pointing to main. This is correct. A2 is pointing to main. This is also correct. But A21 is pointing to A2. But if you see here, so A21 is written inside A2. Okay, so this is also correct, but if we see this calling chain, so here according to calling chain from main there should be A1, and after A1 A2 should be there, and A21 after that A1, and this option C is not following this calling chain. Okay, so option C is also not correct. Let us see option D. According to option D, what is the calling chain? From main A1, then A2, then A21, and then A1. Main A1, A2, A21, and at last A1. Okay, and as we have seen already, A1 is pointing to main, A2 is pointing to main, because their definition is written inside main. This is correct. Definition of A21 is written inside A2, so this is pointing to A2. This is also correct. Okay, and here at last A1. Okay, so because this A1 is also written inside, as we have seen, A1's definition is written inside main, so this is pointing to main. This is also correct, and according to calling chain, this is correct. Okay, so our correct option is option D. Why? Because it is following both this calling sequence also and this procedure they have written inside. Okay, so access links are also following the same. Okay, I hope you got the answer. Thank you.